Hey, show me your hands. Hey, where is he, ma'am? Passenger side or driver's side? Is the gun still in his hand, yes or no?
Yes.
Car's on.
He just pointed gun at officers on the right.
He's getting out.
He's getting out. Sir,
Drop the gun!
drop the gun! Listen, I'm not taking your fucking word. Put your hands up, drop the gun.
Ma'am, get back in the house! Shut the door and get out of here, ma'am.
Sir, drop the gun.
Drop the gun!
Fox shot off.
Easy.
Fox shot off, shots fired, shots fired.
Get in the house!
Shots fired.
Get online, guys. Joe, back up.
Hey, show me your hands.
Yep. We gotta stay in line with Kevin. Or with Brandon.
Hey, where is he, ma'am?
He's in the car. He's in the
Passenger
car.
side or driver's side?
Driver's side. He's in the driver's
Is the
side.
gun still in his hand, yes or no?
Yes.
Fox shot 455.
Fox shot 455. He's in the driver's side with the gun in his hand.
His car's on. Yep. Car's on. He did point gun at officers upon arrival.
He's getting out.
He's getting out.
He's getting out.
Sir,
Drop the gun!
drop the gun!
Gun!
Listen, I'm not taking your fucking word. Put your hands up, drop the gun.
Confrontation on the line, you guys.
Ma'am, get back in the house!
Shut the door and get out of here, ma'am.
Sir,
Sir!
drop the gun.
Drop the gun!
Fox shot 4.
In line.
Fox shot
Ma'am,
455,
get
shots
back
fired,
in the
shots fired.
house!
Get in the house!
Shots fired.
Get online, guys. Joe, back up.
Joe, get behind the car.
Back up.
Go in the house, go in the house.
Go! Come on! We're gonna hold! Go! Got it! You're
Is he
all
down?
He's down!
Hold what you have.
Hold.
Hold what you have.
We're good.
Yeah, hold it.
Can you see him?
I can see him. Show your hand.
Give him command.
Show your hand.
Sheriff's office, show me your hand.
Show me your hand.
All right.
Yes.
You command it, Nate. You got it.
Absolutely.
Hey, show me your hand.
Keep giving him commands.
Sheriff's office, show me your hand.
He's not in the
He's
car.
not in the car. He got out of the car and shot at us. He's somewhere right in front of the.
He's right there.
He's somewhere in front of the red car, in the front of the cars. He is down.
I got it.
Hey, show me your hands. Hey, where is he, ma'am?
He's in the car.
Passenger side, driver's side.
Driver's side.
Is the gun still in his hand, yes or no?
Yes.
Fox shot 455. He's in the driver's side with the gun in his hand.
His car's on.
Yep. Car's on.
He did point gun at officers upon arrival.
He's getting out.
He's getting out.
He's getting out.
Sir,
Drop the gun!
Drop
Drop the gun!
listen, I'm not taking your fucking word. Put your hands up, drop the gun.
Confrontation on the line, you guys.
Ma'am, get back in the house!
Shut the door and get out of here, ma'am.
Sir, drop the gun.
Drop the gun! In line. Ma'am, get back in the house!
Watch your cameras.
Shots fired.
Get online, guys. Joe, back up.
Let me clear right. Watch out, 369. I'm behind you guys. Plus, these now, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
Get online, guys. Joe, back up.
Get online. Hey, I'm over here.
Going out, going out.
Hey, I'm coming around to you guys.
Come on. You see him?
Yeah, I see him. I got eyes. I got eyes.
Is he down?
He's down. I can't see a zero. Hey, I'm a hold right here. I'm holding.
Keep your eyes on that guy. We're going to approach from the left, on the left side of the cars. Let us know if he moves at all. All right. Nicholas, Katie, Hannah, Brandon, Aaron, you guys move up in line, nice and slow, quiet. Okay?
Hey, can you still see his hands?
Yeah, keep his hands on his chest.
Sir, keep your hands up. Sir, put your hands up.
Good.
Sir, put your
Slow,
hands
no
up.
rush.
I got hands. I got hands.
Okay, you got it.
I got hands.
Sir,
I got
show me
hands.
your hands.
I got hands. I got hands.
Sir,
Zero.
do not move.
Zero anywhere.
Do not move.
All right.
Who has cuffs?
Sir,
I got cuffs.
Sir, do not move. Do not move. Pull him out. Pull him out. Just pull him in. Sir, do not move. Do not move.
Cuff him.
Hey, give me a make it. Yep, they're going for it.
Yeah.
Yep. That's like the custody right now. Like we have an 18 or so.